the popularity of PDP is soaring every day. And we are thanking our members across Osun State to work assiduously for the election of our governor. We wish to equally tell the public that PDP remains one party in Osun State, and the party is not in any division. People can decide to leave. They have freedom of living, freedom of association with anybody, but the living of anybody has not depleted our popularity. We equally call on the Inspector General of Police, because all the illegal occupation in the local government is being aided, unfortunately, by the police officers. They seem to have turned our local government to police stations, because in each of them, almost every day, from Monday to Friday, you find police e-logs stationed there. Coda meeting comprising of all the 12.
And after his address, maybe 1 or 2 questions, and then we can allow you to.
And you are still making statements.
Okay.